How U.S. fishermen catch and process tons of Alaskan red king crab in factory. The majestic Alaskan red king crab is one of the most sought-after seafood delicacies in the world. Known for its colossal size, rich flavor, and tender meat, this prized crustacean demands an incredible journey from the frigid waters of the Bering Sea to your dining table. But have you ever wondered what goes into catching and processing these underwater giants? The process is nothing short of extraordinary, combining the grit and skill of fishermen with cutting-edge technology in state-of-the-art factories. From the daring expeditions on treacherous waters to the intricate cleaning, cooking, and packaging procedures, the story of Alaskan red king crab is one of adventure, precision, and sheer determination. The dangerous art of crab fishing. Catching Alaskan red king crab is not for the faint-hearted. The process begins in the freezing, turbulent waters of the Bering Sea, where crews aboard massive fishing vessels brave some of the harshest conditions on Earth. These waters are home to one of the most valuable crab fisheries, but are notorious for towering waves, sub-zero temperatures, and relentless storms. To locate the crabs, fishermen rely on years of experience combined with modern sonar and GPS technology. Specialized pots, massive steel cages weighing hundreds of pounds, are baited with fish and lowered into the icy depths. These traps are left on the ocean floor for hours, sometimes days, as the crabs crawl inside to feed. Once hauled back up, the pots are hoisted onto the deck with cranes, often revealing a bounty of gleaming red king crabs. The sight of these enormous creatures being pulled from the sea is a thrilling payoff for the crew's backbreaking efforts. However, this is just the beginning of their journey, as each crab must meet strict size and quality regulations before it moves on to the next stage. Sorting and transporting the catch. After the pots are emptied, the crabs are carefully sorted on the boat. Only mature male crabs are kept, while undersized ones and females are returned to the sea to ensure the population remains sustainable. This sorting process requires speed and precision, as the crabs must remain alive and healthy for transport. Once sorted, the crabs are transferred to holding tanks filled with chilled, oxygenated seawater, mimicking their natural habitat. This step is crucial for maintaining their quality and freshness during the journey to shore. Watching the tanks come alive with the movement of these massive creatures is a mesmerizing sight, a testament to the care and respect given to this valuable resource. From here, the crabs are transported to processing facilities, where the magic of turning raw catch into a culinary masterpiece truly begins. The cleaning and prepping process. When the crabs arrive at the factory, they are still alive and kicking, ensuring ultimate freshness. The first step is a thorough cleaning process, where each crab is washed to remove any dirt, algae, or other impurities. Large, automated brushes and water jets are used to gently clean the crabs without damaging their delicate shells. Once cleaned, the crabs are prepared for cooking. This involves separating the legs and claws from the body, as these are the most prized parts for consumption. The disassembly is done with extreme care to ensure the meat remains intact, preserving its premium quality. Watching this process is a fascinating combination of human skill and mechanical precision, showcasing how traditional methods are enhanced by modern technology to deliver impeccable results. Cooking and flash freezing. Cooking the crabs is a crucial step that locks in their flavor and ensures they are safe to eat. The crabs are placed in large steamers or boiling tanks, where they are cooked for a precise amount of time to achieve the perfect texture and taste. The rich aroma that fills the facility during this stage is enough to make anyone's mouth water, a testament to the fresh, high-quality seafood being prepared. After cooking, the crabs are immediately flash frozen to preserve their flavor, texture, and nutritional value. Flash freezing involves rapidly lowering the temperature to prevent ice crystals from forming, which can damage the delicate meat. This method ensures that the crabs taste as fresh as the moment they were caught, even after weeks or months in storage. The sight of rows upon rows of bright red crabs being carefully frozen and packaged is both satisfying and awe-inspiring, a glimpse into the meticulous care that defines this industry. Packaging and quality assurance. Once frozen, the crabs are packaged for distribution. Each package is meticulously inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Any imperfections, such as cracks in the shell or inconsistent coloring, result in the product being set aside for further processing into other seafood items. The packaging itself is designed to maintain the crab's quality during transport. Vacuum-sealed bags and insulated boxes are commonly used, protecting the crabs from freezer burn and temperature fluctuations. Labels are added to inform consumers about the product's origin, cooking instructions, and even sustainability certifications. This level of detail reflects the pride and professionalism of an industry dedicated to delivering excellence. Sustainable practices in crab fishing. Sustainability is at the heart of Alaskan red king crab fishing. Strict regulations govern every aspect of the process, from the number of crabs that can be harvested to the methods used to catch them. These measures ensure that the crab population remains healthy, supporting not only the ecosystem but also the livelihoods of future generations of fishermen. Advanced tracking systems allow regulators to monitor fishing activity in real time, ensuring compliance with quotas and minimizing environmental impact. By embracing sustainable practices, the industry demonstrates a commitment to preserving the natural beauty and abundance of the Bering Sea. Transportation to global markets. Once the Alaskan red king crabs are perfectly packaged and labeled, they embark on the next leg of their journey: transportation to markets across the globe. Given the premium nature of the product, ensuring that the crabs arrive in pristine condition is a top priority. Logistics teams use advanced cold chain technology to maintain a consistent temperature throughout the journey, whether the crabs are traveling by air, sea, or road. Cargo planes and refrigerated containers play a crucial role in this step. These specialized units are equipped with sensors to monitor and adjust temperature and humidity levels in real time. This meticulous control ensures the crabs retain their exceptional freshness and flavor, even after traveling thousands of miles. Watching these shipments being handled with such care is a reminder of how much effort goes into delivering a luxury seafood experience. By the time these crabs reach high-end restaurants or gourmet retail stores, they are ready to delight consumers with their unmatched quality. The culinary art of red king crab. When Alaskan red king crab finally reaches the hands of chefs and home cooks, the magic truly begins. The versatility of this seafood delicacy allows it to shine in countless dishes, from classic steamed crab legs with butter to elaborate recipes featuring crab bisque or sushi rolls. Professional chefs often highlight the natural sweetness and tender texture of the meat, using simple ingredients to let the crab's flavors take center stage. Preparing red king crab at home, meanwhile, is an equally rewarding experience. The meat is pre-cooked during processing, making it easy to serve cold in salads or warm with a quick steam or boil. This ease of preparation, combined with the crab's luxurious taste, has made it a favorite for special occasions and celebrations. Each bite carries the essence of the cold Alaskan waters, a testament to the long and careful process that brought it from sea to plate. It's a reminder that enjoying Alaskan red king crab is not just about indulging in fine cuisine. It's about appreciating the hard work, skill, and dedication that make it possible. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.